Found the Final Cut, I wear a hat. Because I can.
I can fly. I can...
Fly?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Seriously, I can.
Seriously, you can't.
What this was for sure. 20 bucks says I can do it. No more. There's no more left.
Yeah. You look ridiculous.
It's just warming up.
Alright, do your thing. I have granola bots calling my name. You gonna do anything? Hello and welcome to the Final Cut. The DIY show shows you how to apply Hollywood techniques to your low no budget project using exclusively Final Cut Pro, Motion 5, and GarageBand. I'm your host Twisty, and God, we've got to make that shorter. So today we're just doing that super awesome flight takeoff effect that you just saw in the sketch. This one. This one right here. Just in case you didn't see that, this one. That one right there. This one. This one. This is actually relatively simple and easy to pull off, so let's do this. So the first step, of course, is shooting your footage. Now I'm going to assume that you can just sit down in front of your computer, take your project, and then you're all like, no, I don't have any footage, done it. Oh, no, no. And then you're like, you know, like, yeah, I'm assuming that you didn't just do that. I'm assuming that you have your footage shot. So when shooting, you want to lock your camera down on a tripod. That way you can go through and edit your effects without having to bother with annoying motion tracking and such. It's so much easier. You're also going to want to grab a clean plate. So once you have your actor jumping up like a total doofus, like her, you're going to want your actor to step out of frame so you can get a clean plate. Now, I forgot to do a clean plate the first time we shot that shot, which made me feel like this. No, 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 no,
Twisty, no, Twisty, no, no.
Once you've imported your clips, go to the point where your actor begins to jump, then find the frame where your actor is highest in the clip. Then click B for blade and split right there, right there. Then go back 4 or 5 frames, click B for blade again, and split the clip there again. You should have about 5 frame segment that's separated from everything else. Then apply a draw mask by going to your effects and search for draw mask. This is technically referred to as rotoscoping. We should do an episode on rotoscoping. That just occurred to me. Once you have your actor rotoscoped out, find your clean plate and drag it below them. Once you've applied your clean plate, click the little 4 or 5 frame segment of your actor jumping, then click transform, click the keyframe button, and move your actor out of frame. Once you've done this, you have your actor going like a, just going. Do that again. Wait. But here's the thing, is that you'll notice that your actor is suddenly jumping into the air, and that does not look very good. So go back to the point where your actor begins to jump, click B for blade, and split the clip. Then take that little section of the timeline and speed it up by about 400 till like that whole section is like 2 or 3 frames. This makes a much more smooth transition between the actor jumping and flying into the air. Next, apply directional blur to both of these clips and keyframe them to intensify over the life of the jump. Then once you've done with all that and you've applied all the little goodies to your jumping stuff, it did sound wrong. Very wrong. Click Option D to compound all of these clips into one little clipperino, as Ned Flanders would say. Once you've done this, scale up your clip and keyframe it to move with your actor's jump. This makes it look like the camera's moving with your actor's jump, even though it was locked down on a tripod. Next, apply a handheld effect from the Effects in Final Cut Pro to your clip and go through and modify the settings so it better fits the handheld type of shake that you're going for, and voila. Wait, then you add a letterbox and some color grading and all that blah 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 stuff. Blah. And there you have it, a fairly simple and easy to pull off take-off effect. Now, a lot of people like to apply a dust explosion or cracking ground asset to these types of effects, but this didn't really work out that well for me. I couldn't get the effect to work, so I decided not to do it and just teach the basic concept of the actor taking off the ground. 2 offs. 2 offs, sorry. But if you want to do this, I put a link to a great tutorial in the description below. It's by a group called Film Riot, and they're awesome, and I highly recommend them. The only thing about them is that they use After Effects, and they have a lot of times, you know, budget and such, but they use After Effects, but the effect remains the same no matter what editing program you use. And that's all we've got for you today. If you like this episode, feel free to like and subscribe, and if you have an effect that you'd like to see down the show, feel free to contact me on my Facebook, my Twitter, or my email, or just comment below. Just comment. Just comment. So much easier. So much easier. Or you can just, you know, whatever. You know, it's all about convenience these days. So whatever you want to do. Those 4 options. I laid it down. I laid it down. So now you can do as you please. Do it. Just do it. And I will see you next week. Bill Ames, this stuff. Stuff. Jump, jump, jump.
Nick, stop!
What did you just throw? We're filming down here! We're filming down here! I'm trying to film here! Breathe in. Breathe out. Just let it all go. Let life just let it all go.
Yeah, and just die.
And just... Wait, what? Die?
What you doing?
Is that last been over?
Ooh, I just grabbed it.